hiyo makesi muangalie, ikikuja let's deal with them as fast as they come and finalize. You have heard the senator talking about the cases of terrorism. Give them priority. Give them priority so that those who are found guilty, they are convicted. Those who are not found guilty, they are released.
But please find in your heart and also within your structure right now to get somebody who can serve Isiolo people as a judge so that we have something to smile as Isiolo people. Our people in Garbatula, they go all the way to Isiolo North, where accommodation is very expensive. They take a number of days. It's really very expensive because they cannot even afford.